So we're back at the Beach Walk Apartments. The other elevator is currently getting modernized, and this one's next up on the chopping block. And after we take a ride, I think you guys will be able to have a pretty good idea of why these are being modernized. Hold on, there we go. Yeah, because this thing is in bad shape. Might try to get this panel if they switch it out. What I really want to get when they mod it is this. I love this plate, and I'm gonna ask them if they can save it for me. Gonna be? Stopping here. All right, so the way down wasn't so bad, but as you're gonna see and hear on the way up, this thing is beyond its last legs. Listen. It's slipping. That's not normal. So this thing does fine on the way down, but like, I don't know if the camera or if the microphone was picking it up. You could literally hear the motor going as it went up. And like, obviously you can't tell this in the video, but like feeling it, you can feel it's like it's jerking, like it's struggling to get up, which is a bit terrifying to the residents, I'm sure. Yeah, this thing is a bit sketchy. Definitely, this did not used to run this way. I was here about like a month or so ago, and it was not this bad. All right, one more time, up to 1. Well, let's get the COP here. Yeah, all right, up to 1. That's honestly actually pretty concerning. This thing's struggling big time. Look at the door mechanism, it's bent, or it's loose, I don't know. Very light door. Yeah, well, yeah, that's probably gonna be my last time riding this thing. This is a neat call station though. Anyway,